Welcome to my channel. I'm Larata Kuberi, as you should know, but if you don't know, now you know. Alright, so I decided to do something different, and it's going to be a clean with me, deep cleaning, just getting the new year in on the best note. Because honestly, my family and I and my cousins, everybody, we were not feeling like doing a deep clean. We were just doing like touch-ups here and there. Okay, so right now I'm just taking the time to deep clean the house, reorganize, removed Christmas decor, because I mean it's the 5th of January. It's time for them to go. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the music. I hope it inspires you to get a few things done. Have it playing in the background whilst you're cleaning, studying, whatever you are getting done. Let's do it together. Anyway, enjoy the music. It is Christian music. I decided to just really be in my feelings and just feed the soul. So enjoy the music, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and have a wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly about the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away. You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you see my soul and couldn't see why. Hold my hand high, cause you see I. listen, daughter. Pay attention, pray and listen, hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you, keep you hostage. King will heal you. Before him, adore him. He will give you everything. Come and take your Can't keep going back to what I used to know. But please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Lord, please hold my hand as I go down this road. Can't keep going.
ourselves grown inwardly, as eagerly we await to be adopted as God's children, redeemed. And by this hope we have been saved. But who can praise God from the grave? So we will rise upon that day, glorifying your name above all names. I need him each moment. I have come to know the peace that he questioning, 'cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 'Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. Oh, my, what a sacrifice. He really suffered up until he died. Yet here I am just moaning and groaning, complaining. Power is on my side. So this that I'm going through, had to change my thoughts and my attitude. Clear my mind if I thought I would lose. I was wrong, what is fear? I don't know. Rise above it, let's go higher. Feel the spirit overflow. Flow, yeah. It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad, yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question. Holy Ghost inside, precious gift from the Lord, oh, to change my life. Greater than anything I imagined. Oh, I made it here, yeah, all because, 'cause I got you. Ooh, ooh, yeah, I got you. Ooh,
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me.
And that is the end of my video. I hope you yes please. Yeah. And that is the end. And that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A little long video of me cleaning. I'm not done cleaning. I'm going to clean the bathrooms and dust the bedroom, dust my bedroom. But because my battery is collapsing, I'm now going to finish up quickly, forget about the aesthetics, and eat. My cousin is here. She got some sparkles. So yeah guys, that is the end of it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying the consistent videos, and I just want to say shout out to Shem for this microphone. I'm going to be doing the most, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Be crying, get to running, and tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me.